prefer to use ghee, but in this video I have taken butter. Ghee has good quality of taking high temperature.
Little bit of salt.
So after adding the required quantity of salt, mix well like this. After 1 to 3 minutes, remove the vessel for the lid like this and place the lid of the cooker in reverse way. In mid, you need to shake and use high flame or medium flame. Based on the high and medium flames, you need to shake in between like this. So it has been taken me almost 5 minutes from the butter added to popcorn, making popcorn. Shake it up, shake it up, and shake it up, shake it up. Again, shake it up. Hit it and shake it up, hit it and shake it up. That's the way to make the popcorn. To fasten the process, I made this clip in 5x. You can cleanly observe, that's why I am not skipping the entire video. After 2 to 3 minutes of that shake it up, you will see like this popping up popcorns. This is the final process. After you feel all the popcorn is popped up, just take that popcorn into the bowl and serve hot. It will be tasty.
Here.
Thank you so much for watching, and likes and shares will be appreciated. We love it.